I simply eat the meat with my hands, as we are supposed to. Just like that.
Ugh, that's not fucking normal.
I've been fucking hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a Pop-Tart.
Meats Fridge, SV3 Ridge, Sferridge, a channel with 20,000 subscribers, and is known for eating not much more than raw meat. I'm pretty sure he also believes the world is flat, and he refuses to play RuneScape.
I have as much respect for you as I have for vegetarians, which is none. You're at the bottom of this reality. You're in a trap and you're never going anywhere. This is how I will always see the people who comment about RuneScape or anything related to that. And you should understand that before you actually bother typing something. You're the same people who will get diagnosed with cancer and everybody around you. And because of your ignorance, not understanding that cancer is actually a good thing.
Now this PewDiePie looking motherfucker just said that cancer is a good thing. He thinks that you are ignorant if you seek medical help for your cancer. What else does this man do? Oh, he eats raw meat. Fucking fantastic.
This is an update of what I eat in a day. I guess some of you want to see me eat raw meat.
Can I have a show of hands, please, of who wants to see him eat raw meat? No one? Okay, just me then.
I simply eat the meat with my hands, as we are supposed to.
Oh, God. Why would you do that? Oh, fuck off. It's like that scene out of The Revenant where he just bites into the bison.
Just like that. It's very delicious. Anybody who's on any diet would still very much enjoy this, I'm absolutely sure about it, even if you eat for taste, which I don't.
This is where I have to really disagree with you, I'm afraid. Most people would definitely not enjoy eating raw red meat. Pretty disgusting, it's also terribly bad for you, and most people's bodies would just automatically reject it. The amount of bacteria inside this meat is fucking insane. Like, he is literally poisoning his body by doing this, but no, he's telling his audience, nah.
I'm smart, you're dumb. I'm big, you're little. I'm right, you're wrong. And there's nothing you can do about it.
You see, I'm right, you're wrong. I also believe the world is flat and that cancer's good for you. He also has a meat collection that he shows you here.
There's no word to describe the taste. It's just something you gotta try yourself. By the way, I put the high meat in the fridge, and once every day I put it outside to air it.
A collection of rotting raw meat. Really fucking weird. I would understand if he was a butcher and was selling this for it to be cooked, but it's not. He's just eating it raw with his bare hands. I know Jake Paul and Logan Paul always talk about savages, but this takes the whole savagery to a whole new level. That's pretty much all there is to the whole eating raw meat, but this guy also thinks the world is flat.
It's common sense that the earth is flat, as in our common sense of sight and movement tell us this.
Yeah, Earth's flat, mate. It just is, isn't it? Just very, very flat. Definitely not a huge sphere floating through space. Nah. It's just a big flat plane, isn't it?
The earth is flat just like the sky is blue, and just the same common sense as the trees having leaves.
The earth being flat is not common sense. Seeing as it's not actually factual, everything you've said is factual in comparison to something that's completely bullshit. Hey, the earth is flat. Just like this sky being blue, it just doesn't work, mate. You're using a fact against something that's completely made up in your own head. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Peace.
It's really hard to describe the taste. It's finger licking good though.
Niggas envy, blicky got the stiffy, got blicky,